everything that you feel good about.
You're so good, y'all.
Call my name because
We can, and you can too.
Hi, I'm Laura Caplan.
And I'm Stacy Johnson, and we'd like to welcome you back to Because We Can. We're feeling a little spicy and hungry.
I was going to say, and hungry and thirsty, right?
Absolutely. So what do we have in store?
I thought I would make shrimp tacos with guacamole.
Oh, yeah.
But to get us started, how about a cocktail?
I like that idea.
Have you ever had a Rum Rita?
Not from you, so let's see
Oh,
how
well,
that
I'm
goes.
going to make you a passion fruit Rum Rita.
Oh, even better. Passion, spice, guacamole. Oh, my gosh.
And rum.
Yum.
We start with, I'm going to double the recipe. So we're going to do 4 ounces.
For double the fun.
Double the fun. Absolutely. Of BIRCH gluten-free.
Gluten-free. That's good for me.
That rhymed.
Yeah, you know, every now and then. Ooh, look at that.
Passion fruit puree. I shook it a little bit. We'll do it again. We're gonna do 1 ounce of that, so really doubling it is 2 ounces. And this is where I should mention that if you didn't want passion fruit, you can add any kind of fruit juice. You like pineapple, you want to puree some strawberries, you could do it that way.
Sounds good.
Yes. Some orange liqueur. Triple sec is a common one. Again, for an individual, you would use 1 ounce, so we're gonna use 2 ounces. Boy, my cup is getting full. I love my shaker.
Our cup is also getting full. We've got a lot going on, y'all.
Simple syrup, I make this at home. It's
Nice.
equal parts of water and sugar. Heat it up until the water dissolves.
Even in a cute little container.
Yes. And then I just pop it in the fridge. So a normal individual serving would be 1 ounce, so we're doing 2 ounces. Still double the fun. We got lime.
Need a little lime. Look at that. Fresh squeezed. Get
Yes.
that. Work it.
Oh.
Put that in there.
I like a lot of lime.
I think so. Well, I'm a fan of key lime pie, so lime of any
And
sort.
yes,
makes me
I
so happy.
almost made you a key lime martini, but
We had those, so now we're gonna try something else.
let's shake it up.
I'm getting good at this shaking business, right? Okay.
And then pour it over.
Ice. Look how delicious that looks. Look at me. I'm already taking the first glass.
Of course. Well, guests always get the first glass, right?
Look at that. So
Yummy
yummy.
when you
So
get stuck in the
fresh.
shaker.
But look, we're getting it out. Just shake, 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 and you're getting that goodness.
All right, that's enough. I'll take the shorty. Cheers.
Mmm. That's delicious. Now we're gonna get cooking.
The cocktails are underway. Let's get on to the guacamole. You want to help me with this?
I do.
It'll go a lot faster with
Yes.
both of us. So we have all our ingredients here, right? Avocados, tomato, lime, jalapeno. A lot of people put in onion. I use shallots because it's kind of the combination of a garlic and an onion.
And why not? Because
And
we
why
can, right? Here we
Yes,
go.
yes.
That's all the things we can do.
And I don't use cilantro, maybe you would.
I
know
love
it's a common
cilantro, but I'm okay.
ingredient.
If you don't want that in there, we're gonna try something new. We're showing you different things.
I have a tough time putting this down. So why don't you go ahead and get ready to cut open the avocados and I'll work on this bad boy.
Yum. So good.
I got the spicy part. So I'm gonna deseed the jalapeno because that's where most of the heat is and in this membrane. I know you and Mike like spicy.
You know, my nickname is Spicy Sriracha, so I guess I do like spicy. Let's see. Whoa. There's got to be an easier way, and I know there is, but I am just doing it this way.
You're gonna mash it, so it doesn't really matter.
True. I just like to kind of get as much of it out. Oh, look, almost perfect.
I have gone ahead and chopped up the jalapeno, and what I don't want to do is touch these spicy hands to my eyes because that will be really bad.
That
so I'm
would
gonna
hurt.
squeeze in here real quick.
I'm going to show you guys. We're making this homemade, but let me tell you something. Even if you buy guacamole pre-made, it's all about presentation. Just stick it in a pretty dish like this, and even that will look magnificent. You know, it's all about what you have time for. If you have time to make it homemade, go for it. If you have no time at all, pick some up at the store, stick it in a pretty bowl, and you're good to go. So we're going to get back to Laura cutting and chopping and peeling.
We're just
And maybe crying if she does.
You know what? Actually, the shallots tend to make me sneeze for some reason.
Oh.
Isn't that weird? I'm just gonna, again, don't mind my knife skills. But it looks fun, right?
Look at her. She's moving fast. I'm just here for support. And to eat.
All right. To me, that's...
Getting that in there. We cannot let any
Okay,
of
this
that
is
fall.
when my knife skills, I think, are
good.
pretty awesome.
Those are on point, Laura. Until one goes in there.
That's okay. It's my kitchen. My kitchen. I make the mess.
Oh, look at the smell. Well, you can't really look at the smell, but you can see how.
Only a couple more ingredients left.
Hey, maybe one day we will have smell-o-vision. Ooh, look how pretty. That's a pretty tomato. Look at those knife skills.
They're not good at all. Look at that.
Making sure it doesn't fall. Yum. Oh, this is going to be delicious.
Yes. Little kosher salt.
That's the best. The little crispy pieces are so good.
And
Pepper.
some pepper.
What's your fancy pepper thing? Mine just shakes out.
I got that too. But I wanted to impress you today.
You're doing a good job.
It just takes longer to get that
Okay,
pepper
here's the
out.
lime squeezer. Okay.
I don't know about you, but I really like a lot of lime.
I do too.
Okay.
Can't go wrong with lime. Lime in your guacamole, lime on your tacos.
Lime
Yum.
in your margaritas.
Absolutely.
Oh,
Our friends
and
over
that's
there.
Reagan, by the way.
I was drinking, but yeah, now I'm stirring. He caught me. I was drinking. Now I'm stirring. Yum. Look at this. This is so good.
I'm not sure we're going to make it to the tacos. Too busy drinking and eating guacamole.
So you guys, we put a lot of lime in here, which is great because now it's not going to turn brown. Because who wants to eat brown guacamole? It doesn't look so appealing. But the green, yummy and fresh.
And if we don't eat all of this, when you put it in the fridge, you should put the saran wrap right on top of the guacamole. Like push it down around the edges, and then it definitely won't be
We are
turning brown.
just so happy about this, you guys. This is going to be delicious. And we're so hoping that you will make this too. Try it. It's great.
See how
It's
easy it was? Few ingredients.
Look at that. Yum.
You did a good job mashing. I love how chunky it is.
That is so good. Love it. I hope you try it. Guess what? This is just the guacamole. We have more to come. I shouldn't talk with my mouth full. But we want you to hold on and watch for some tacos coming your way.
The star ingredient in shrimp tacos is shrimp.
Shrimp? Are you talking about my thighs again?
No.
Come on.
Never. Start with large shrimp, raw, easy peel, deveined, tail on.
De-poop.
Yes, that's called deveining. I've gone ahead and rinsed them, and now you just take that shell off and the tail.
Y'all call it devein, I call it de-poop.
One and the same, right? All right, we've got all of our shrimpies. No tails on. Got to pat these dry though, because having the moisture in them means that you're going to have moisture in them when you cook, and we don't want that.
No, we don't. Look at that.
Gonna
Patting away.
Pat that away. Toss that because we don't need that anymore.
Cleaning up as we go. That makes the world a lot easier.
Yeah.
There we go. Look at that. Okay, we're mashing up some
We got a
garlic.
couple cloves of garlic, and if you mash them, it makes this paper part easier to come off.
There you go. Get those tips. We're always giving you tips here.
And 1 clove to me is never enough. Chop off those little ends there.
Because you can't have enough bad breath.
Garlic is really good for you.
Right? It's good, but it leaves a really nice flavor and scent in your mouth.
Fresh
It's
garlic.
so good. Oh, it smells so good.
All right. Go ahead.
Put that in
Add
there.
that in. You could pretty much season your shrimp however you like it.
Okay, so what are we going to put today?
Well, knowing that you were coming over, I'm using a little cayenne pepper. We could have gone hotter. If it was just you and my husband eating, I'm sure we would have gone a lot hotter.
But since we're all eating, I think
Right.
we need to have a little bit less of the spicy going on, but still with a little tinge of spice.
Yes, I rarely measure.
Oh, no, I'm not a measure person either. I'm more of a sprinkle until I think it's covered enough.
Yeah, and then we got cumin. You could even use a pre-made taco seasoning.
Yes.
I have that as well. Little sea salt. Oh,
Again, with your fancy sea salt shakers. Grinders.
yeah.
Pepper.
Pepper.
Mmm.
You might need a little more later, but that's okay.
Ooh, what do we have here?
Olive oil.
Yum. This is going to be so good. It already looks so flavorful with all you've put in so far.
Those
I
big
am
chunks
loving
of
this.
garlic.
Yes.
Give it a good stir here.
Again, you guys, I wish you could smell what was going on. It smells so good.
And then we're gonna go ahead and turn on. I just grabbed this pan out of the thing. It doesn't really matter which one you're gonna use. Heat it up. And then we're gonna toss our shrimp in there and give it a cook. And that's gonna take like 3 minutes at most because shrimp doesn't take long to cook.
Okay. So Laura brought out these beautiful peppers, so we're gonna cut them up and just have some color added to this beautiful dish. Okay. We're gonna add this into the oil. Laura's gonna mix that up.
Yeah, we're just gonna get this to cook down a little bit so that when we add it to our tacos, we've got some nice soft green and red pepper for some color and flavor.
Yum.
Go ahead and turn up the heat a little bit.
Turning up the heat, we kind of like that, right? Okay, y'all, we're gonna cook this shrimp. We are putting it on low and just adding it right here. Hear that sizzle. Okay, and then we're gonna mix it up. Just get that cooking. Laura's doing the taco tortillas, I should say.
That's right. Do you like yours warmed up?
I
mean, I feel like
I
that's
do.
the only way to have them, right?
Only way to have them. I even like mine a little crispy.
Oh.
But you know what? I've never met a taco I didn't like. So crispy, not crispy, hard shell, whatever flavored shrimp, pork, vegetable.
Fish?
I
What?
feel like I sound like Forrest Gump. Isn't that something like that? Shrimp,
Yes.
gumbo shrimp, blah 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 shrimp.
Yes.
I'm dating myself now in my movies and my flavors and my things. Okay.
I need a little bit more.
So we're turning up the heat a little bit just to cook them a little bit more.
We're so hungry.
Well, they start to curl up, they're more opaque, not so clear, and that's kind of what tells you when they're ready. I'm gonna make this for my boys. Again, presentation is everything in the pretty bowl. Look at this presentation. Like we said, presentation is everything, but this is not just about presentation. This is about good food. You made some
Absolutely.
awesome food here.
I've also added just a little mixture of like cabbage and carrots and kale for a little crispiness
Nice.
in the taco. So go ahead and dig in. This is what I'm calling a taco bar, if you will. Make your own.
Okay, guys, we are so excited. We're about to dig in, and we hope that you will make this exact item or something very similar. We also hope that you subscribe. You tell your friends about us. We don't want to be the only ones watching us, right? And then we want you to do everything that you feel good about because
We can, and you can too.